Well, good morning to you. We are taking the dogs out this morning. So we are down at a place called Gore Glen, and you can just see right about there, that's the Pentlands. So beautiful spot down here. It's the river runs through the Gore and the dogs love it. So let's get on. All the dogs having fun. So is Ali. She loves it down here, really.
I do.
So we are now heading down. You can probably hear the water running, but for these dogs, oh my word, they love it. Absolutely love it down here. So as we're walking through the Gore Glen, apparently I'd need to find out the full facts on this, but they used to actually make gunpowder down here, which I think is fascinating. For this, you could just see through the trees. There are still some derelict old buildings down there from when they used to do the milling, or not milling, you're not going to mill gunpowder, daft twat. But believe that it actually, the water source actually provided the power to actually make all of the gunpowder. Which, I'll see what I can find out, and I'll have to get that on and just let you know the facts. So I have got some facts. Well, Ali's found some facts for you. So apparently for around 67 years, water was channeled from the Gore to power 10 water wheels. The gunpowder produced supplied the British Army during the Napoleonic Wars and was used to blast coal. Small communities of miners up around the Emily and Gore pits, which is here, at one time the mines were the deepest pits in eastern Scotland. Didn't know that. How beautiful is this? Obviously the dogs love it. Labs being labs, they're straight in the water. Look at those four. Mad dogs.
They do.
They're having fun. Oh, they're definitely having fun. He's there, behind you. Oh, I think these ones are having a lot of fun. A lot of fun. Back in the workshop. I brought the chair back in. I wanted to give it more. Actually, tell a lie. I brought the chair back in yesterday and I gave it some more coats, and I think it's looking a lot better now. Next thing I want to do is I want to apply a wax finish just to help bead water off it, and which is what I did with the Singer tabletop out in the garden, and the water is just repelling. It's just beads on top and it's off. It's great, love it. So I'm going to do the same to this and hopefully protect it. A few jobs to do today, outside what I normally do. I need to change 2 front tyres on the car. They're already on alloy, so I don't have to change those, but the car's got to go in for its MOT, my Landy. I was conned when I bought it. I didn't realise that I was conned until probably about 6 months later when I found out that the 4-wheel drive doesn't bloody work. And it looks like most of the 4-wheel drive system had been removed and it had been coded out. But it was too late for any comeback. Yeah, I could have proceeded, but it was a waste of time. So, and this was supposed to be an AA classed garage. Yeah. Anyway, we won't go into that. I'll be a lot more careful next time I buy a car. I'll tell you that one. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to get this one waxed. Then I'm going to pull the car out, change those two front tyres because they're wearing too much on the inside, and I don't want any risks when it goes for the MOT. I need to see if I can make some adjustments on the handbrake as well. If it passes again this year, I will be amazed. I'm sure there's going to be something on there which will need to be done, and then it'll have to reset the MOT, I'm sure. But I need it because I need it for not only for the transporting all our dogs, I need it also for the trailer attachment. Other cars don't have the tow bar, but what else have I got to do today? Wheelie bin. Yeah, it stinks. So I need to get that pressure washed out as well. So can't have a stinky bin. So yeah, a few jobs to do. And there it is, back in its place in the garden. I'm happy with that. I think it'll last a lot better than the bed slats. That was definitely a big mistake. You know, even getting the appreciation of one of our labs. What do you reckon? Good? Yes, of course it is. You know what I'm actually thinking? I picked this up the other day. This had been stored elsewhere for a while. I can actually see it, maybe a little table coming for the chair. Nice little wooden top on there. Just do a little leg for the base just to get it level. Yeah, it could be another project. Tell me what you think. Should I do that? Be interesting to know. Oh, you are tight. And you. Oh, gosh. Come back to you. Oh, yeah, good. Yeah, good. Oh, good. You are bending. That's so tight. That is bending my bar. Oh my gosh. I think I need to find another bar. Well, I call that one a complete failure. So not only has it managed to bend my lever, the one nut won't come off, basically. Should be an easy job, but now it's going to have to be a job for the garage. Oh, bugger. Come on, give me a break. Well, you have given me a break. You've actually managed to break two of my sockets, snap them, and damage and bend, twist my lever. Thank you. Oh well. Move on. So me being me, forgot to set the camera up whilst I already started. Not only that, I've just done a recording and then I realised when I played it back, I forgot to turn my microphone on. So I'm doing it again. So, as I was trying to say to you, I've got my two spare Land Rover wheels now. So I've spoken to the garage. I need to get it in there early tomorrow morning. He'll get these fitted. I've made an adjustment to my handbrake, so that's feeling good. Land Rover Freelander 2. I'm not sure about the first one, but Freelander 2's notorious for their handbrakes going. You know, constantly needed adjustment. Anyway, got the wheelie bin out. Started doing that. That is disgusting. Oh my God, it really needs to be done. So let's get on. Well, that was pretty disgusting. Absolutely foul. But anyway, needed to be done. It's good. Good job done. Happy with that. So now I'm going to get my things all tidied away, and then I'm going to decide on what I'm going to do next. So it's been raining outside, and you can see where I waxed it. Look at the beading on there. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That'll protect it. One thing I wanted to point out, if you saw my last video where I mentioned I don't like cleaning paintbrushes. Yes, I cleaned my paintbrush. See, I'm learning. Slowly, but I'm learning. On to the next thing. I've just had a delivery of pipe parts. So these are parts that I need so I can finish making more lamps. I've got 4 guitar lamps. I can show you one that I made just yesterday. So this one will be going out tomorrow. This is my guitar lamp. As I said, this one is going out tomorrow. Obviously, it gets sent out fitted with a bulb. So these are 5-watt LED bulbs. So they're not too bright, but they're not too dim either. So I think they're just about right. So that one has already been electrically tested and is ready. So I just need to box that one up with the guitars and everything that the customer has requested. So yes, more pipe parts. That's good. So I need to get sort these lot out and get those into the specific bins that they go into, and then I can start making more amps. 3 more of these to make. And there you go. So in this order, I have so cross equal T, elbow 90s, and 2 lots of different types of elbow 90s, hexagon nipples, and the plugs. That's good, because the main one that I needed was the hexagon nipple. Great names, aren't they? Love the names of these. Okay, so now I need to just go through. So that is basically what hexagon nipple is, which is what I need for these sections down here, etc. Well, that's great. All the pipe parts, all the pieces that I'd ordered are now here, now in their specific or specified boxes. So it means that I can crack on and get these lamps done and get them sent out to their new homes. So tell me, what do you think? Should I include a bit of the build process of the lamps in these videos, or should I just leave it as the other the mill stuff that I do, the woodworking, the working around the house and that sort of thing? You tell me what you want to see. Do you want to see some of the lamp builds also included in the videos? Anyway, I think that's about it. We're going to wrap this one up for now, and I will see you next time. Thank you very much for joining, and if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe and ding that notification bell so you can see my videos when I put them out. Have a great day. Thank you.